Ow. Just broke a nail. Are you freaking kidding me? And I was about to go get my nails done too. Hey, what's up? It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. Today my video is going to be a getting ready video. I am going to Warped Tour, the last Warped Tour date ever in West Palm Beach, Florida. Pretty excited. I know a lot of people feel like Warped Tour has lost its essence, its heart, but for me it's more about like the experience of going and relieving some of the FOMO I felt in high school when I wasn't allowed to go to things like that. My first Warped Tour ever was last year, so it kind of sucks that like now that I'm finally able to go, they decide to throw in the towel. But we're gonna make the best of this final Warped Tour and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna kind of try to do just some quick makeup for a couple reasons. First of all, I kind of have to get going. As we say in Miami, I've been eating shit. So I've been wasting time and I really just gotta get going. And also because it's gonna be really hot. It's South Florida and it's a festival, it's an outdoor festival, and I know all my makeup's gonna come off anyway. So the first step is to take off my eye makeup from yesterday because I'm a trash human, just a disgusting individual. How am I a person? Oh my god. I'm also going to include a little checklist at the end of the video of things that you should bring to a festival like Warped Tour, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you are subscribed, I appreciate you so much, and if you're not, consider doing that. Next, I'm going to just tone my face with some witch hazel, which is an essential part of my skincare regimen. If anybody's interested in my skincare routine, I'll probably do that at some point. I don't know why anybody would be interested in my skincare routine because my skin looks like shit. So like I said, I'm gonna just try to keep it really simple. I actually just unpacked a whole bunch of my makeup that was packed up from when I moved. So I found this Colourpop eyeshadow that's pretty nice and I feel like it kind of matches my hair. And I found these little gems that I guess I got at like Walmart or something. Even though it is going to be really hot and I fully expect my makeup to just melt off my face instantly, I am going to take all precautions I possibly can to make sure it stays on my face. I also did not wash my hair because that's going to just completely get destroyed also. I know as soon as I step out there, I'm just gonna be like, just dump 10 gallons of water all over my body. It's so ridiculously hot. The risk of dehydration is real. Last year, I definitely saw a girl or two get pulled out of the crowd unconscious. The heat is no joke. Oh my goodness, what is that? It helps to look in a mirror every once in a while. So I'm just setting my eyes with a whatever, just this color. Just gonna take a fluffy brush and this coral type color as a transition shade. Is that what I want to do? Nah, I don't think so. I'm gonna take this gray, just dust that into my crease. What is that? What is that fuzz? This brush is not doing it for me. So, have any of you guys ever been to Warped Tour? Were you like me and you weren't allowed to do anything in high school, so you never had the full Warped Tour experience? What are your favorite Warped Tour memories? Let me know in the comments. Or tell me I'm a bitch in the comments. Just, you know, say something. I believe that may be enough. Now, ooh, that's a big no-no. I just left this Colourpop eyeshadow just open, which they're, if you don't know, they're kind of like a creamy powder consistency, which is very strange, but they do dry up if you leave them open, so just beware. The best way to apply these eyeshadows is with your finger because of that strange consistency that they have. Let's see if this will live up to my wildest dreams. Just gonna pat that all over my eyelid. I wish I had put something under this, to be honest with you, because this is not that vibrant. And now I don't know what to do. You know, it just doesn't have that kapow that I was hoping for this eyeshadow look. I guess what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take I'm going to take these two colors, this grayish brown and then this gray, kind of start to blend those edges out a little bit. It's okay because I'm going to cover this all with huge ass wing, as I always do, so it doesn't actually really matter what my eyeshadow looks like. I'm also going to take that under my eyes, because why not? Should have put on eyebrows first. Maybe that would have made me look more normal. I went and I found my old Vice 3, I believe. Vice 3, it doesn't say, but I remembered that it has this gorgeous green right here, so I'm going to fix this Colourpop mess. Just go over that. Fix my whole life, Ardell Decay. And I'm gonna also take that under my lashes. Today is a day for wild experimentation. Oh wow, that's on my eyeball. That's on my actual eyeball. Why am I just the most disgusting human being alive? I wasn't raised this way, I promise. I was raised to be a lady. This is actually like a great palette. I'm gonna use it more. I'm so glad I found all this shit. Just take a black, the black color here called Revolver, and just do that thing, you know, the thing that I always do, which is just put a lot of black everywhere. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend that shit right out. Okay. This is nice, it's simple, it's not groundbreaking, but that's not what we're going for. And I'm also gonna take a little brush, Bobby Dazzle, I believe. This wasn't a great shadow from what I remember. I'm so sorry about this mirror, I can't do anything about it. This wasn't a great shadow from what I remember, but I'm still gonna just try to pop that right into my inner corner. Oh, I lied. I just had shitty brushes back in the day, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows on camera for... I haven't been doing them on camera pretty much ever recently, but I'm gonna do them on camera now so I can show you what I've been doing lately with them. I've been using this cream eyeliner. It's black, it's just straight up black. You don't have to use black, but I use black. And I use this angled brush. It's just a little angled brush. I don't go into the front of my brow at all with this pretty much. I just start in the middle where it's shaved off basically. And just draw on that shape that I want. Which doesn't always come out great the first time around. I fully expect my eyebrows to come off too, but I'm pretty sure this is like pretty waterproof. And I'm also going to put some eyebrow gel on it, and I'm going to set it with eyeshadow. So triple whammy. I just drag kind of like the remaining product, not all the way to the front of my brows, but just like through my hairs, you know. And then I take a fluffier angled brush, like so, and I just take like, that one's Shimmering, my bad. Just whatever brown eyeshadow, it doesn't really matter. And that's what I drag through the front of my brows, because it kind of sticks to the hair, you feel me? And then I just drag it throughout the rest of my brow to set it. Then I'm going to take my Ardell, why did my voice crack like that? Eyebrow gel. And just take that throughout my entire brow, including the fake parts. And that's how I've been doing my eyebrows lately. I will inevitably become unhappy with this method and try something else, but for now this is where we're at. The next thing is, I guess, my face makeup. Then I'll finish my under eyes, possibly, tentatively. I'm not going to go super hard on face makeup because I don't think I need to remind you that it's going to be fucking hot. And it's not going to last anyway. But we're going to go for just some sheer coverage. Just with my Total Control drops, which I'm so glad I have again. I didn't prime my face. I probably should have. Could probably mix some primer into this foundation. Sometimes I wonder why I even bother with makeup if it's just going to come off 2 seconds later. But it's nice to feel cute for those 2 seconds, you know. Put on a tiny bit of concealer just to spot cover, and I powdered my face, and I put on a little bit of that e.l.f. highlight that smells like paint. Now I'm just going to do my normal wing, and I might put on false lashes, which I will definitely do off camera because it's going to be rough. And then I'm going to get dressed and show you my finished look. I'm also going to be vlogging my Warped experience, so if you want to see how disgusting my face looks at the end of the day, definitely check that out. It should be going up a few days after I post this video, so just keep an eye out for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Ooh, I don't know what just happened. Okay, I'm definitely not going to bother with lipstick or anything like that. I'm just going to put on some SPF lip balm and that'll be that. I've never set my face on camera, but I'm going to do so today because, again, I need to lock in the flavor. I'm also just putting this, I don't know, it's like a sun treatment. It's Sun Bum Shine On, but it's like sun protection for my hair. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in my hair because it looks greasy and disgusting anyway, so who cares? So I just changed. I put on some lashes and immediately ripped them off my eyeballs because they were making me miserable, which is what happens every time I try to put on eyelashes. I just, you know, put on some earrings, which I'm either gonna take off and or lose. Bracelet, which I'm also gonna take off and or lose. My favorite necklaces, my crystals, you know, just in case my chakras get bumped around in a mosh pit. And I'm going to be putting on these, I don't know, 10-year-old Converse that I wear to every show, every festival, every concert. So they're disgusting. I am wearing a bikini top and just some Forever 21 denim shorts. And I'm pretty sure this shirt is from the men's section of Forever 21. But I'm just putting this on over for now. But it's going to be so hot that I'm probably going to take it off. And like I said, I'm going to probably dump 10 gallons of water over myself. So that's why I'm wearing a swimsuit. So I think that pretty much covers it for the get ready. I may include like a better view of my outfit. Like here. Now I'm going to tell you my essentials for any festival or concert. Number one is definitely sunscreen. I just got a new tattoo. If you haven't seen my tattoo vlog, go check it out. So I probably shouldn't be out in the sun for a festival like this, but I'm gonna just put hella sunscreen on it and just be really careful. And you should also put sunscreen on the rest of your body even if you don't have a new tattoo. That's super important. Bring a huge reusable water bottle. Most venues won't let you bring in a full water bottle unless it's like very clear that it hasn't been opened. So I always just bring an empty water bottle. And I know Warped Tour, most festivals have water fill-up stations. So take note of where that is and visit it frequently. Because like I said, dehydration is a real possibility. So just make sure that you have a way to be continuously chugging water. Like, it's not a joke. Don't pass out. Don't be that person. My next essential is a Ziploc plastic bag to put stuff like your ticket, your phone, to put stuff that you don't want to get wet in there because you never know what's going to happen. Next thing is a power bank, like a portable charger. I know a lot of festivals have charging stations now where you can go and plug in your phone, but you really don't want to be like missing the shows just to go stand by a tent and charge your phone like a weirdo. So just bring a portable charger and you can just charge your phone while you're fist pumping or whatever. And a couple more things is lip balm, sunglasses. Just basic essentials. I have to bring my prescription sunglasses because I wear glasses and I don't have contacts. So I always bring those with me. And always bring a lip balm with SPF in it. And you should be good to go. This is my bag that I take to festivals just because it fits a lot of stuff in there, but it's not like too big. I know that I said in a previous video that I would bring like my leather hip holster bag to concerts, and I did once or twice. I brought it when I went to go see Paul Bearer and Obituary, but I just figured I would want to bring something more waterproof for this show, so this is my bag, little luchadores. That is pretty much it. I can't wait to go have fun today, hang out with some friends and hear good music and everything like that. It's a little bit nostalgic, it's a little bit sad. It's the last Warped Tour ever, but I'm just going to try to make the most of it. And like I said, don't forget to check out my vlog when it goes up. Subscribe to make sure you see that. I'm going to be vlogging my whole experience, so check that out. I know summer's almost over, but if you're going to any festivals, I'm sorry, this is loud. If you're going to any festivals or concerts or shows that are outside, just be very safe and have a great time. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. I am now going to go get my first black eye. I said black eye, by the way. Alright, later. These little gems are gonna come off my face like immediately. It's whatever, it's fine, it's cool.